Okay, okay, okay. Go.
Wait, di ka picture!
I didn't see, I'ma record.
6:34, the devotional. Tapos dire-diretso.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, go.
May last ma'am ka lang.
Social night, guys.
I don't care.
Don't remember the last one.
Okay,
Wait, Trisha, it's like this.
Nasa inyong mga ilalim
And then
ng
just repeat
buhay.
it. Girl forgot everything I taught her. Girl, shut up.
Oh, wait. Right.
Yeah, like that. Oh, huh? Oh, wait, it's like this. Help.
Ay yung makaremember, hindi padamihan, kundi
Like
padamihan
that.
na nasa.
You get it now?
Meron kayo na nakalistan sa hindi kayo ang pananalo. Dapat,
Oh my goodness, girl. Wait, again? Wait, do it one more time.
talagang nakilala ninyo. And to add another page, mga kids.
Yeah, like that.
But then I place it here.
Yeah.
Dear friends, what can you say? What they can say about you as a friend, as a new friend?
It's okay, it took me a million tries also.
Ano yung impression?
Do you quit? Oh, wait, your hands are tired?
No, my feet from kneeling down.
Oh, I get it now.
Are you friendly? Are you smart? Okay, just one or two right here. And make it
Girl's
like
raging in her mind. You heard nothing actually.
Sino nagsabi sa inyo na word na yan? And probably,
It's actually kind of good now. Girl, your skirt is... Wait, I'ma hold it. Yeah, she's too tall to even sit down. Eight.
I keep on putting it
As we go home or return to remember that no matter how small or young we are, God
Wait, do it again. Yeah!